Is Pawns.app really an easy way to earn passive income online, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael, and many viewers have asked me about an update about this platform because there has been some changes recently. So I decided to record this Pawns review, give you an inside look, and I will also show you Pawns payment proof so you can see that it does pay. And then I'll go into both the pros and the cons so you can see if it's really worth it. So before I log in and show you how Pawns.app works, let's start by going over the name, because you can see it says it's by IPRoyal, and the platform used to be called IPRoyal Pawns. IPRoyal is still where people can go, their clients can go, but if you want to earn, you go on Pawns.app. That is what the site is now called, and it has been completely rebranded and changed both name, URL, design and everything. But let me now log in and show you what it now offers, since there has been some changes both after they changed the name and all. They have also introduced some other ways to earn and some other things. So I'll log in and then we'll go over exactly how it works, and I will also show you payment proof. So I am now logged in, and the main way to earn is passively earning. And that was also what it was known for when it's called IPRoyal Pawns. That was that you just install it, you can see the devices you install it on, and then you earn by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. And you can see you can do it on Windows, Mac, and there's an app on Google Play. There's different devices, so you can install it. And you just need to, if you want to use several devices to earn more, you need to use different IP addresses. That's just one thing to be aware of. But that used to be the main way to earn, and still is, in my opinion, the easiest way. Definitely, this is where you can earn passively, because you just need to be connected to the internet and then you can earn. But you can also now earn by taking paid surveys. That's currently not available for me. You can see it's not in my menu because it has not been added in all countries yet. But they do add new countries quite regularly, and you can then take paid surveys. But in my opinion, if you want to take paid surveys, you should go for service sites that are specialized in paid service. That's what I do anyways, what I prefer, because that's a better place to take them. And they usually give more opportunities, better rewards and all that. I also have a video I'll leave in the top corner where you can find out some of the top paying service sites. So you can earn now by taking paid surveys, but I would still say the main appeal for it for me is the passive way of earning. And then I prefer taking the paid surveys on other platforms instead. But let me now then show you payment proof, and then we can talk about how much you overall can earn also, and if it's really worth it. So when you go to the payment methods, you can see that which options you have depends on the country. For example, if you're in the US, you can see there's a lot of gift cards you can get also, and you can get paid in Bitcoin and PayPal. But if you, for example, say in the UK, you can see there's fewer gift cards, still Bitcoin, PayPal. Bitcoin and PayPal is an option in most countries. And for me now, where I'm located now, I have these options, and this is cool options also. So I'll now just choose to get paid via PayPal, and then I can show you payment proof before we talk about how long it's taking me to earn and how long you should expect to spend to earn and all this. So you can see there are two different types of earnings. There's pawn earnings, and that's what you've earned by taking paid service and sharing your internet bandwidth. And then there's referral earnings, which is what I will now take out. This is where you can invite others, and I've earned quite a bit by inviting others. That also means because I made some content about it, I've showed exactly how it works, and some people have joined through my invitation link. You can earn that. But this also shows that quite a few people have earned, because I only earn if they earn, and they earn the same whether they join through my invitation link or not. I will leave mine below, so if you're not yet but a member and want to support me and want to give it a go, then feel free to do that. I will also leave some information about how you can actually learn to get a real good number of referrals, so you can get earnings like that also, if you want to learn my strategy for that. But anyways, let's now focus on the payout option to show you payment proof, because you can see my balance, but there's a 4% fee. That's one thing I don't like about the PayPal option on Pawns.app, is that they charge a 4% fee, because that is quite high. Some of the other payout options don't charge that high a fee, but in general, I just think that 4% PayPal fee, like many other platforms, they charge less. I think it's a shame, because it takes patience to earn. So then charging 4%, but that's how it is if you want to get paid via PayPal. Anyways, I will just then click the withdraw button, and I have to accept this. I want to get paid in cash, so that's just how it is. So I'll just click that to get paid. And then once I do that, they just send a one-time password to my email that I need to do. So I just put in there and of course blurt out the email and the password there, and then I just authenticate it. And you can see the payment now is pending there. My balance is 0. You cannot choose what amount you take out. It just takes all of it out at once. So now I'll just also leave a screenshot on the screen so you can see the email that I got from PayPal. The money did go into my account because I know that it does pay. I've been paid by it many times before. So I'll leave the screenshot there. You can see I also will write exactly how long it took me to get that money into my account. But let's talk about overall how much you can earn and if it's then worth it. So overall, I think Pawns.app has both pros and cons. I do like that it offers a passive way to earn, but it does take patience. So how much can you earn? Well, what I've earned taken quite a long time, and this is by referring people. So you can see other people, they are earning, because if not, I would not have this amount of referral earnings into my account. But it's taken me a long time, and I can see also from people that I know and that are sharing their information here and sharing their experiences with me, that it's not something where you will earn fast. You know, you have to be lucky to earn a few dollars a month. Maybe you can get $5 a month. It all depends on the country you live in, the demand for traffic there, and of course also how many devices you have and all that. You can now also boost your earnings by taking paid service, but as mentioned earlier, I would recommend that you take paid service on sites that are specialized in that. But it is a real way to earn. It does pay, but it definitely does take patience. It's not, I would say, like, it's easy in the way that it's passive if you use this way of sharing your bandwidth, because you don't have to do anything. So just a little bit extra whenever you have your computer on, why not? But if you're expecting to earn $100 very easily per week or something like that, that's not gonna happen. So you do need to do it with the right expectations. So to sum it all up, Pawns is legit. You saw payment proof. I've been paid by it many times. It just changed its name now. You just need to be aware of that. It has introduced some other options, some other payout options, a few other ways to earn. All that is good. But personally, one thing I don't like about it is that I've had some not great experiences with their support. I've wasted a lot of time trying to get information from their support. And that's one thing I don't like. So that's why, like, when it comes to passive income apps like this, there are other options I do prefer instead. I'll leave a link below so you can check out my top recommended options for that. Also, as mentioned, I'll also leave a link to information about how you can earn to get like potentially a lot of referrals and boost your earnings on different platforms, maybe even platforms that are better than Pawns.app if you're interested in that. But my point about this video was to show you that there has been some big changes, and definitely I do like they offer now more payment methods. They are trying to offer other ways to earn. All that is great, and it does pay. And many people have asked me about, like, now it's changed its name, is it still worth it and all that. And that's why I decided to record this video, to show you exactly how it works. And then you can decide for yourself if you think it's worth it or not. And if the video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.